Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use grids in After Effects. Grids are incredibly useful tools for achieving precise alignment and consistent layouts in your compositions. They act as visual guides, helping you place elements accurately and maintain a professional look. We'll cover how to enable and customize these grids, ensuring your designs are always perfectly balanced and visually appealing. Let's dive in and make your workflow more efficient. To get started, enabling grids is straightforward. Navigate to the View menu at the top of your screen, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Control plus apostrophe on Windows or Command plus apostrophe on Mac. Once enabled, you can customize their appearance and behavior. Head over to Composition Settings to adjust the grid's size, color, and even choose different types like the proportional grid for more advanced layouts. This flexibility allows you to tailor the grid to any project. Now that your grid is set up, let's put it to work for alignment. With snapping enabled, dragging any layer near a grid line will automatically snap it into place, ensuring pixel-perfect positioning. This is incredibly helpful for creating symmetrical designs or maintaining consistent margins. You can also use the grid to distribute multiple layers evenly, making sure every element is perfectly spaced. This technique saves a lot of time and ensures a polished final product. For more advanced workflows, consider combining grids with rulers and guides. This layered approach offers even greater control over intricate designs. The proportional grid, for instance, can help you achieve visually balanced compositions based on mathematical ratios. Remember, you can save your customized grid settings as presets, allowing for quick recall in future projects. Mastering grids will significantly enhance your precision and efficiency in After Effects, making your animations and motion graphics truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.